What's good, family? Listen, welcome back to another episode of the Mobile Home Elite Podcast, Mobile Home Elite Show. You already know what time it is. I am the charming mobile home mogul, Byron Sellers, and today we're talking about the part 2 of how to market your business on social media, and today's focus is Instagram. Okay, Instagram. This one is going to be very short because one thing I see investors, starting out, we see, Instagram may be our channel, and we're on Instagram and we are trying to market homes. Now, here's the thing when it comes to Instagram, right? If you are going to do that, my best bet is to find 5 realtors that you like their content and pretty much study what they do and make similar content. Okay, because normally on Instagram is, I remember somebody liking to say, listen, Instagram is like when you go to the window at the mall and you looking in, you peeking in before you go into the store, which is like say Facebook is like the store. So Instagram is that window, right? We get to kind of look and see the highlight reel. And so a lot of people on the gram, right, they're scrolling and they may see something. They be like, oh, cool, I see what you're up to. But versus when you talk about marketing, right, how are you positioning yourself and how are you marketing yourself? So if whatever strategy that you choose and you're marketing your brand, of course, a lot of times we look up on Instagram, we want to be able to see. But the thing about marketing on Instagram, a lot of your buyers may not come from Instagram. But here's the thing. If you are looking for investors, Instagram is a great place because you're following realtors and you start following different real estate investors and you start making content based on, hey, if you're to, acquire this home for $5,000 from me, this is the ARV. These are the numbers. This is the potential that you have. You can make anywhere from 25, 30K. Now it's like, oh, okay. And if you're making reels, right, you're able to make short form content to be able to describe those things. Now you're starting to potentially get people that's interested and then hit you up. Now, what I love about Instagram, the best thing about marketing on Instagram is direct message. Okay, so you can actually DM people if you have new followers. Hey, DM, hey, how you doing? Listen, thanks for following me. Let me know, is there anything anywhere I can help you out or any interest? Hey, what brings you to the page, right? Start the conversation. Some people may, but here's the thing, the people who are, this is potential for, they may not be looking for a mobile home, but they may be looking to invest. And this could be a potential client or a lead that you can end up selling a property to. They may know someone, right? Now, if your end game is to sell mobile homes that like move-in ready and things like that, again, you can definitely stage your mobile homes. You can see what people, can show that. And what I love about it, you can connect your Instagram and you can connect your Facebook so that way that content, whatever you're sharing, can be shared on the page as well. So that's just another way. Like I said, Instagram to me it's a way to make your branding great. It's a great way for people to see what you're up to. And I think it can really help you when it comes to marketing. Definitely short form content, anything less than 30 seconds is always great. You pique people's attention because you think about when you're scrolling and you're just looking for, the one thing. Also, Instagram, I love it. You can have links in your bio. You can have multiple links. So now, if you want them to fill out a lead form, if you want to send them to a website or send them to your Facebook page, you're able to do that as well. Highlights, you can leverage the highlights under the page, whereas the highlights are for, almost direct access. So now if you have homes for sale, they can click that. They can start seeing your homes for sale. You have the story, more behind the scenes. So this is great for your brand. Instagram is a great tool, but I think Instagram is great for brand awareness, right? So if you're banking on Instagram just to sell houses, try to find potential buyers, I'll be honest, you kind of going for a long stretch. That's why I made the previous video about Facebook. Facebook is about 75% of your clients, but can you get someone? Potentially, but I think it's better for investors because if you're making your content and showing an investor the walkthrough, showing the investor the potential, showing an investor, especially here's the thing, if you're looking for investors, right? So for example, if you're finding properties and you like, I'm looking for investors, this is a great way that when they see you out in the field, they see you doing those things, right? Have a consultation call so that way you're able to set up and get potential investors to be able to invest in your projects. Now you're giving returns on their money and you're making money. So Instagram is a great way to leverage for investors, y'all. So listen, I hope this was very valuable. Do me a favor. Make sure you share this. If you have not, make sure you subscribe to the channel already. I truly appreciate y'all. Y'all know I'm going to give y'all more. And let me know, listen, what you want to learn. All right. So until the next time, I appreciate you tapping into the Mobile Home Elite Podcast. Ooh.